2025 marks another leap forward in the world of heavy machinery. And today, we turn our attention to one of the most respected names in the construction and mining industry, the Caterpillar D9T. This massive bulldozer has built a reputation as a powerhouse, blending brute strength with advanced technology. And in 2025, it continues to stand tall as one of the most reliable machines for earth-moving on a global scale. The CAT D9T is designed to handle some of the toughest terrains and the most demanding projects, from large-scale mining operations to road construction and land clearing. Its heart is the CAT C18 ACERT engine, delivering robust horsepower that ensures maximum pushing power while maintaining fuel efficiency. Caterpillar has fine-tuned this engine over the years to meet modern standards, offering both durability and lower emissions, making the D9T a machine that can perform without compromise. One of the key highlights is its fully automatic power shift transmission, paired with a differential steering system that provides seamless maneuverability. Even under heavy loads, operators can easily turn the dozer smoothly, saving time on site while maintaining total control of the blade and machine. In 2025, Caterpillar has focused even more on operator comfort and efficiency. The D9T cab is spacious, equipped with improved sound insulation, advanced climate control, and ergonomic seating, reducing fatigue during long working hours. Visibility is another area where the D9T shines. Wide glass panels, high-definition rear-view cameras, and well-positioned mirrors provide operators with a clear view of the surroundings, which not only enhances safety but also improves productivity. For night operations, the dozer comes fitted with powerful LED lighting, making it possible to keep projects moving around the clock. The undercarriage of the D9T has been engineered for longevity. Heavy-duty track components ensure longer wear life, and the suspended undercarriage system absorbs shocks, keeping the ride stable even in rough conditions. Maintenance is simplified with ground-level service points. And Caterpillar's Product Link system allows for remote monitoring of fuel consumption, machine hours, and performance, helping companies make data-driven decisions. When it comes to the blade, the D9T is built for versatility. It can be fitted with different blade types, from semi-universal to straight blades, depending on the job requirements. Paired with its massive ripper at the back, the D9T is equally effective at breaking tough ground, as it is at moving massive amounts of material in a single pass. The sheer presence of the D9T is impressive. Weighing over 100,000 pounds with a towering design, it stands as a symbol of Caterpillar's engineering excellence. In 2025, this machine continues to dominate sites, where power and